So why is Sezzle moving so fast? I'd say the reason, one of them is not really a great pitch to entrepreneurs to help a first-time entrepreneur. Part of the reason is because I've done this before. So I know that doesn't help a lot of first-time entrepreneurs, but it does help. Like if you imagine like the first time you rode your bike, you probably fell off and skidded your knees a couple times, and then you got on the second time, you got better at it. It's the same thing with entrepreneurship, same thing with almost anything you do in life. The other aspect that I think does help any entrepreneur is your team. You need to have an awesome team. My name is Charlie Youakim, and I'm the founder and CEO of Sezzle. Sezzle is a next generation payment processing platform. We're a payment button, just like PayPal. We call ourselves PayPal 2.0 to our customers, the merchants out there, online merchants selling goods and services online. We're PayPal 2.0 in that we're half the cost to process a payment versus PayPal or credit card, debit card processing. And then once the merchant places our button in the checkout, we convert consumers to pay through our system, which is a bank payment, by offering rewards, 1% rewards. Our primary consumer customer is a millennial, people that aren't using credit cards typically. If they're using a debit card, they don't get a chance for rewards. It's also cardless, so you can just sign right into your bank account, attach it to your Sezzle account, and make payments out of Sezzle and get rewards. So the motivation behind Sezzle, that stems from my previous startup. It's a company called Passport, and we did mobile payments for parking and transit. And when we would install our systems, we would put stickers on meters. So we would sell to cities and parking operators, and those stickers would pitch to consumers to download applications to pay for parking. That was a lot of online merchant processing, credit card and debit card payments, and they're expensive. So it always caused a pain point for us as a company when we were selling our product because it added to our costs. And then I saw Venmo my last year at Passport, and I was like, that's it. The bank sign-in technology that Venmo showed me to make payments is something we could apply towards merchant processing. And that's really what spawned the idea of Sezzle. Yeah, the power move was when I was at business school at Carlson. The natural thing to do out of business school is probably get a pretty good paying job, right? Well, luckily looking back, it was a downturn in the economy, harder to get a job. And I'd always thought about starting a company. And I think that downturn in the economy was really the push out of the nest. Like, go and do this. And so we decided to start Passport. My background was in parking. I had done software in parking before. I was parking at a parking lot at the Carlson School where you had to take dollar bills and stuff in an envelope. So it was like, oh man, this is like a good idea. We could do something with technology and parking. And so that was probably the power move that pushed me into entrepreneurship, and I've never looked back since.